In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Adobe Express template. Whether you're creating a flyer, a social post, or a quick presentation slide, starting with a template can save you time and help everything look polished from the start. Begin by opening Adobe Express and browsing the template gallery. You can search by keyword like Instagram post, poster, or business card, or filter by style and size to match where you'll use it. Hover over a design to preview it and choose one that's close to your vision. Don't worry about getting it perfect at this stage. You'll customize everything in a moment. Once the template is open, click any element you want to change. That can be text, an image, an icon, or a shape. When you select something, you'll see a toolbar appear with options tailored to that item. For text, change the wording to fit your message, then adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. If the text doesn't fit, try resizing the text box or reducing the line spacing. Keep an eye on contrast so your words stay easy to read. For images, click the photo and use the toolbar to replace it. You can upload your own picture, choose from stock photos, or pick an image you've used before. After replacing, use crop and fill tools to position it and apply filters or adjust brightness and contrast to match the overall look. If you're working with icons or shapes, you can swap them, recolor them to match your brand, and rotate or resize them to balance the layout. As you adjust elements, use the toolbar's color swatches and the font picker to create a cohesive style. If you have brand colors, paste the hex code to get an exact match. Take advantage of alignment guides to keep things neat, and duplicate elements to maintain consistency across the design. If you need more or fewer parts in your layout, use the plus button to add elements or remove ones you don't need. Add text for a headline or a caption, drop in shapes to create emphasis, or insert icons to support your message visually. To remove something, select it and delete it, keeping the layout clean and focused on your key information. Remember, less can be more. Keep only what supports the goal of your design. When you're happy with your edits, give everything a final look for spacing, balance, and readability. That's it. Your template is now tailored to your needs and ready to share or download.